what's up guys? How are you all guys? And my name is Kush and I'm back with my new YouTube video regarding the Python. So today guys, we are going to but we are going to create a new spiral using our previous concepts of my video, and we can create a spiral. So first of all, if we need to create spirals, we need to learn some new commands that are very easy. So first we'll create some easy commands and make a spiral, and then we will use some more complex command and we will make a spiral. Okay, so first of all, what is spiral? Spiral is a continuous round circular figure that has a different various sides of different colors. We can also use different backgrounds, and we can also define its speed and etc. It's a very fun concept. So if please like the video and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for connection to me and me with you. Okay, so I am sharing my screen actually right now. Okay, so now for first creating a spiral, we need to, there in Python it doesn't takes this command that we create and Python adapt and function as it is. First, the Python contains a particular libraries, different libraries. So this spiral is being created by a turtle. So we need to import a turtle library. So I will write import turtle. So the turtle gallery means or a library has been imported in this command. But now we will use t is equal to turtle dot pen. The p should be in uppercase only. Okay, so now why we have used this command is being used by me or any other professors because we need pen to draw or write or anything else of writing work. So similarly, turtle also needs a pen that by it creates a spiral. Now we'll give it also speed. As the human walks, the walking speed is in his hands. Okay, so similarly, we also need to define the speed of a spiral by a turtle need to be created. Okay, now we will use for x in range. Okay, now this for, in, and import are the keyword I have tell you in my previous videos. Okay, so you can refer to it. Yeah, I have given a link in description box. Just check it out. Now we will give the value 1, 100. So it will start from 1 to 100. Okay, x value first will be 1, 2, 3 till 99 and so on. If you don't understand the bracket range function, I have also explained it in for loop. Okay, you can just go and check it. I have given link again in the description box. And it the for loop also starts with colon. Okay, you remembered. Okay, now in the for loop we will write t dot means t dot forward. This is a forward command by which the turtle moves ahead. Now I have given x because the forward command or the pixels are going to change continuously by range. One circle will be of 1 pixel and 2 pixel, 3 pixel, 4 pixel, and so on till 99 pixels. Okay. Now the spiral, as in introduction only, I have told you that it's circular type of drawing. So for making it circular, we do use t dot left or right. T dot left, I will you can also use left or right, anything. I am using here left. Now here let's create a square spiral. So square, all the sides are 90 degrees, so we'll use 90 degrees. So it will make a 1 pixel, again 90 degree, then 2 pixel, 90, 3 pixel, 90. Like this it will create till 100. Okay. So now let's run and check it. And why doesn't it again run? Because it's spin. Okay, it's very sticky and tricky. We need to use like this speed. Now we can run module and check it. Wow. See, sorry, I disconnected. See what a good shape it has been created. Means you know that first pixel, then right, 2 pixel, right, 3 pixel, right, till 100 times it has been done. So this spiral is bit small and it's hypnotizing spiral type. Okay. So now its speed is also very slow. Now we can give it 0. Any range will start from 0 only in Python. Wow! It has been created the same image, same size, same width, height, everything exists. But it has been created very speedy because of the speed that we have assigned to the turtle. Okay, I have by mistake again did it. Okay, now let's create the some complex what we say some complex spirals. So first some command will be same only, import turtle because the turtle is making it. Then we write here t is equal to turtle.pen turtle.pen, and then turtle.bg color for background color. bg color, it has been used for background color. You should observe that in previous one that we have used doesn't give a background color. Okay, so it has a background color. And okay, now here again that we can also give a to make it colorful, we can also give its side as let's first give us color is equal to, in square bracket we'll write first single quotation red comma, it should contain comma for differentiating between the color, or the Python would be confused. Okay, comma, then we can use yellow, then again comma, we can use blue in parenthesis, blue, comma, again in parenthesis orange. We can import let's say 6 colors. Okay, let's say. Okay, now I would thinking green. Okay, let's say green color, and the last one would be of purple. Okay, so after this we have only 6 colors, so we don't have any other color, so we can't put comma after this. Now we will give it about this, we'll give it side. So now you would be confused that what number should I give as a side. So that side is nothing but sides are the value would be number of color that has been used in a program. So the number of that has been used is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll write this simply 6. Okay. Now after the color, we will again give a for loop in the for x in range. Now in bracket, let's give a value, some bigger value I am thinking of. To create a whole spiral in a circular, let's give 360 because 360 creates a whole circle. Now this colon, and then now we can here use t dot pen color. Why do we use pen color here? Because if it does, don't try, just do here forward and left and run, it will create the normal turtle or a spiral. Okay, but if we use t dot pen color, so pen color, so the pen will be get refilled by this all color. You can assume like that. Now we will use this parenthesis, and in this we will write color, means that all the color would be imported in this bracket. All the color inks will be imported here, and then in square brackets we can here write x modulus the sides. So here you will think of why do have this use percentage sign? Actually, this is not a percentage sign, but it's a modular sign in we call in Python. This is a very cool command that divides two numbers and gives the remainder. So here the x, let's say it's 360. 360 divided by 6 gives us 60. So at 60 degrees at times, it will change the colors and will change the pen color or ink. Okay. Now this is all about t dot pen color. Now t dot forward. We need to move the total also. We would make it somewhat complicated. Let 3 multiplied by 3. Okay. Now divided by we can do like sides plus x plus x. Now why have did this? 360 multiplied by 3, it would divide by the number of side means 6 plus x. So 360 plus 6 is 366 and it would be divided by a number of times that has been multiplied by it and it moves then forward. Now t dot left. Now in bracket we can here write let's say 360 divided by sides plus 1 not equal to plus 1. Okay. So why I have been used, it's normal only. 360 by 6 means the side is 30, means 60. 60 plus 1, 61. I can also normally write here 61 also. But for making it somewhat complicated and bigger the program in elaborated form, we can write like this. Okay. After that, the first that we created, it was very small and the line was very small. So we can write here 3 dot width and now we can give it width as x multiplied by the number of sides that have been used and divided by 200. Okay. So 360 multiplied by 6 would be a greater number obviously. So now we divide it by 200. So now let's check and run. Wow. It's very cool. Oh. See, we have created at 61 degrees it turns and the 6 pens are being created. So 61 degrees are being changing and the 1 pen colors are being changing and repeating once again and again. Now we will think and scold me in the chat box like that. In you have used BG color but it has not appeared. But I have told you that importing a black BG color, we need to give a value in its parentheses. So we do this and we will write this black. Now we would run means we would save and run. Now you can see the black color is being appeared here. Okay, so a black color and in this it looks like very cool, right? So now let's say if we remove this plus 1 and do this as 100, what happened? Oh, wow. It creates a perfect hexagonal shape because it's a 60 degree. And 61 degree, it has been just created like this tilted. Oh, wow. It's very cute. Now, we can also like this use t at the forward. We can also use t dot what we can use here circle, and now we can run and do it. It's very small, right? Now it is visible. It will come and slowly it comes at upper direction. Okay. We can here use forward 200 times. It creates a large number. So the circle would be very big, that would not come in our screen only. Wow. At the place of this, if we do 100, it also looks cool, but it would be also big. Let's do 50 and run this module. Cool. It works in a circle and it's clear, good, perfect spiral. This is a one spiral and it again rotates on this only. Yeah. Okay. So this was about the spirals. You can create different spirals. You can play with different spiral numbers. You can change in the colors. You can add or subtract the sides or the colors. You can also give it different what do you say, tan colors, background colors, and all. We can also try with different forward commands, left, right. You can also place do right or left. Now if you like the video, please like to my channel, subscribe to my channel. It's a very cute red and small button, and make it gray. Okay, so now in the next video it would be, or we would be creating, I'm not sure, but we are going to create a rock paper scissors game by previous concept of Python, and also going to create a sentence using only adjective, noun, and verb, or an animal name, and it creates a sentence. Okay, it's a very cool. And if you want the next part of this video of a spirals, or you want to learn more about Python, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.